Chicago is expected to become one of the first cities in the United States to offer regular eVTOL electric vertical takeoff and landing service. Recently on March 23, 2023, United Airlines and Archer revealed their plans to establish a frequent air connection between Chicago O'Hare, the city's primary international airport, and Vertiport, Chicago. This facility is located in the Illinois Medical District situated to the west of the Chicago Loop, which is the main business area of the city. The joint effort of United Airlines, Archer and several other partners including the City of Chicago aims to commence the operations by 2025. In August 2022, United Airlines had made headlines by announcing the purchase of 100 Archer aircraft. And they backed up the announcement with a $10 million cash deposit, which is still rare in the eVTOL domain. Once the initial eVTOL route linking the airport and downtown Chicago is established, it is anticipated that the network will expand to other locations within the metro area. Vertical Aerospace has been granted the first-ever electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL Design Organization approval (DOA) by the United Kingdom Civil Aviation Authority. The approval authorizes Vertical Aerospace to conduct design activities and issue design approvals within the DOA's scope of approval. The company will have increasing authority and privileges as it progresses through the design and certification program. Certification has commenced with the UK's CAA as well as the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, Japan Civil Aviation Bureau, and the United States Federal Aviation Administration (FAA). The VX-4 is expected to carry 4 passengers and a single pilot for distances up to 160 kilometers, and has over 1,400 orders from various customers, including American Airlines, Virgin Atlantic, Japan Airlines, Brazil's GOL and others.